Most likely siguro in a year, I'm earning like 2 to 2.5.
Hi everyone, this is the orange guy speaking and I'm with...
The black guy. I'm Rob.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please tell me more about you and what you do?
Okay. Can I hold the mic?
Sure.
Okay. So, I'm a marketer. Actually, I came from an advertising industry for 35 years and I've been working from different countries. So I've been in Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Hong Kong, Bangkok, and what's the other one? Singapore. And I've been doing a lot of advertising in different campaigns. And yeah, I earned my degree in advertising and photography in New York Institute of Photography. And I worked myself as a freelancer last pandemic and up to 2 years, 3 years. And right now, I am hooked with this company. And yeah, everything went smooth and perfect. As ngayon, no, we're doing the exhibition. And yeah.
Ano sir, what challenges did you face and how you overcome it?
Okay, challenges I face and how I overcome it. Actually, there's a lot when during the pandemic, but everything was really smooth. A change from dealing with different kinds of companies, especially with advertising, because industries went down during pandemic. And what I did was to coach people who are into creatives. So I did a program for Filipinos, especially, who's really not into creative. There's a lot of different niches, like a tricycle driver, a jeepney driver. So some are company employees and some are into corporate. So when the system or industry was down, we started doing the freelancing. So I teach them how to do the creatives, and I have different programs from creatives like Photoshop, graphic design, video editing, and yeah, and a lot of them benefit from that. So that's the challenge and how we overcome it. Actually, it's not only me, us. Yeah, okay.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. All right. Another question. What ways you suggest for people on how to make money online?
Actually, that is also one of my biggest questions, how to make money online. But if you have the skills and if you have the experience, I think pushing through the maximum or your limits is one thing that can overcome everything. So just like what we're doing right now, instead of just sleeping or staying at home, it's better to practice what you have. Practice your skills, and everything will be furnished.
Perfect. Do you recommend being a freelancer or building their own business online, like e-commerce or other businesses?
Actually, being a freelancer is really very hard, and the reason why I also quit doing freelancing job is because you have it today, but you will not have it tomorrow. So it's not that consistent. But if you have a chance to do a business like e-com or whatever, it's very easy to start now since everything is very handy and AI is already here. So just embrace the technology and do the skills that you're doing before. And yeah, I'm sure everything will go as smooth as it can be. So yeah, different from freelancing, and it's better to have your own business.
Perfect. Sir, in 1 year, gaano kalaki yung pinaka-malaki nakita nyo sa company?
Company.
Yes.
So sa company, for 1 year,
For 1
to
year.
be honest, because I've been doing a lot of campaigns with different companies, especially outside of the country. So most likely siguro in a year, I'm earning like 2 to 2.5.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow, that's really great, no?
Yeah, but that's different campaigns in different companies.
That's good, sir.
Yeah.
One last question. How was working online change your lifestyle?
Oh, this is the question that really struck me. So actually, it doesn't change; it improves. So changing and improvement is really far different. And I can say that just do it like you're not going to live anymore tomorrow. So improve everything, your skills, and syempre, your health. No? So if you're not healthy, sigurado you will not improve anymore. So yeah, I think that's it for me.
Thank you, sir. Isa na lang talaga, where can we find you if we are interested about your service and what you do?
Okay, you can always find me here. Actually, we don't have. Yeah, you can call me at this number, and you can get in touch with me with 360 Logic Solution. That is somewhere in Gilmore, Aurora Boulevard, and that is inside the AAP building.
Thank you, sir. That would be all.
Thank you, Mr.